know you were gone. Still in the plans they made, put an end to you. Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song.